awuthi-ke nginifundisa. Okay, section 19 we-Constitution of the Republic of South Africa uthi every citizen is free to make political choices, which includes the right to form a political party, participate in activities of a political party, recruit members of a political party, campaign for a political party or a political cause. Now, uma wena uthi ANC awusayithandi, i-right yakho leyo, ilungelo lakho. Yabo? Kodwa musa vele ukuthi ubususipoqa uzosibhulisha. Online usiyasibhulisha, uyangena kuma-comments kuma-post ethu, uyasithuka ukuthi why say ANC. Mina ngenkathi ngiyojoyina i-ANC ngangihambi namuntu, ngangihambela nje ngedwa. Ngafike ngafuna i-office ngalithola, ngajoyina, ngaba i-member. I've been a member now for about 20 years. Okay? I've seen the worst of ANC, I've seen the best of the ANC, and my political choice that I make right now is to remain a member of the ANC. Asikho-ke isidingo sokuthi wena ngoba usukhethe ukuthi uthando lwakho lise elsewhere ebese ufuna ukuthi nami ungiphoqe ukuthi ngikulandele. Ngeke ngiyenze lo nto leyo. I-ANC ngoba ngiyathanda ukuba i-ANC, ngizoqhubeka futhi ngibe i-ANC ngoba ngiyathanda ukuba i-ANC. Yabo? As much as ngithanda ukubona umuntu ehamba eshiya i-ANC, kodwa akekho umuntu oboshelwe ngenkani esihlalweni ukuthi hlala la. I-ANC iyayikhulumela ngemisebenzi yayo eyenzayo. Kusukela ngo-1994 iqala ukuthi iphathi lelizwe kuze kube manje. Ziningi kakhulu izinto mangathiwa ngiyaqala ukuthi ngiyibale. Ngeke lama-minutes ala ku-TikTok enele ukuthi sikwenze lokho. Mhlawumbe fanele senze live ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sifundisane ukuthi sisukaphi, because siyashesha kakhulu nokukhohlwa. But nje bakithi into engikhuzayo yileyo ukuthi senifuna manje ukuthi ngenkani sishiye i-ANC. Hawu we usayi-ANC wena? Hayibo ukhona umuntu osayi-ANC kwasho kwathini? Abanye azi babe nayona i-ANC kodwa uyaposta uthi uyashiya kwi-ANC. Asiyazi ipost yakho uthi uyi-ANC njengoba usuposta ukuthi uyashiya nje. Asikhumbule utshela ukuthi uyi-ANC wena. Hayi ngizodlala ngathi bakwethu. So thina i-choice esiyenzayo, we believe kwi-ANC as a vehicle that is going to bring us to ikhanana lethu kwi-National Democratic Society, and we believe ukuthi i-ANC isanawo lo capacity okwenza njalo. Ma ungasakholelwa yilokho wena obona kanjalo, but umbono wakho ungafuni ukuthi uforce it down our throats. I don't think that is fair. Allow us to make our own political choices. Nawe futhi une-right ukuzenzela wakho ama-political choices. Kuphela nje.